This is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, full power accessories, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 39,000 miles on the odometer. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.